Hi and welcome back. Let's get into another exciting episode. Today we are going to show you how to add team members in ClickFunnels 2.0. This feature allows multiple members to work collaboratively according to their individual roles, similar to platforms like GoDaddy, GoHighLevel or Google Drive. There are several methods to add team members in ClickFunnels 2.0. One of them is adding a team member and the other is a collaborator. Honestly, no major difference between them. To add a team member, we will go to the team settings in the General tab. Click Edit Team Settings. Here, team details can also be edited. Now go to Team Members and click Invite a new team member. Enter sub-user's email address, first name, last name, and select the user role according to the work they will do in the team. For example, if you select the marketing role, then only marketing related features can be used. Click Create Invitation. The invited member will receive an email notification like this. They can join the team by clicking Join Team button. If they do not have an account, they can create a new account or join using an existing ClickFunnels 2.0 account. User permissions can be updated through privilege updates. Another method is to add a collaborator. For this, we will again go to the workspace settings. From here, go to Collaborator tab. Click the Add New Collaborator button. If users have previously been added to the team, they will be found in the drop down. Or you have to click on Add New button. The rest process is the same. I hope you understand. If you have any opinion, you can comment below. Thank you so much for being with us for so long. See you in the next video.